Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Central High from Clarendon faces Charlemont High from St. Catherine. This is TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. Central High is represented by Andrew Vidal, Ricardo Shields, Tyresse Reid, and team captain Dejontae Dawkins. While Charlemont High is represented by Ashley Findlay, Chloe Anderson, team captain Tawana Spaulding, and Brandon Buckley. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. I'm your host, Yvonne Chin Irving, and your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Central High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Central High. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock, please. Central High, mathematics. 2 trains started at 10 p.m. from the same point. The first train traveled north at the rate of 80 miles per hour, and the second train traveled south at a rate of 100 miles per hour. At what time were they 450 miles apart?
Again.
No, 12:30 a.m. Charlemont, mathematics for you. 2 trains started from the same point. At 8 a.m., the first train traveled east at a rate of 80 miles per hour. At 9 a.m., the second train traveled west at a rate of 100 miles per hour. At what time were they 530 miles apart?
1 p.m.
No, 11:30 a.m. Local affairs. It's a visual question central. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Dennis Johnson.
No, Aubin Hill. Local affairs. This visual is for you, Charlemont. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
China Mary.
No. Kerencia Morrison, Senator, Bible Knowledge Central. Which commandment is, thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbor?
9.
Correct. Bible Knowledge, Charlemont. Which commandment is, thou shalt not kill?
6.
Correct. Music and audio question central. Listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain.
Crazy love.
Is correct. Music and audio question, Charlemont. Listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always
Umbrella.
Is correct. Biology, Central. What is the specific name of the area in the brainstem which regulates functions such as swallowing and sneezing?
Medulla oblongata.
Correct. Biology, Charlemont. The islets of Langerhans are groups of specialized cells in which specific organ of the body?
Pancreas.
Is correct. Theatre and Cinema Central, a visual one for you. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Zach Galifianakis.
Correct. Theatre and Cinema, visual one for Charlemont. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Ben Johnson.
No, Ed Helms. English language, Central. Give a 6-letter verb that starts with B and ends with H, which means to bring up for discussion or debate.
Request.
No, brooch. English language, Charlemont, give us 6-letter adjective that starts with a D and ends with E, which means to be submissive or quiet.
Deceit.
No, docile. Sport or visual question central. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao.
Is correct. Sport or visual question, Charlemont. Look at the monitor and identify the person, please.
Tyson. Mike Tyson.
Mike Tyson.
No, Floyd Mayweather, boxer. General knowledge, central. What is the national flower of the Republic of China?
Chinese lily.
No, plum blossom. General knowledge, Charlemont. What is the national flower of Australia?
Australian orchid.
No, golden wattle. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Central High on 5 points and Charlemont High on 3 points. It's time for the Digicel Viewers Question. Our Viewers Question comes from the category Bible Knowledge. The question is, Abraham fathered a child with one of the handmaids of his wife Sarah. What was the child's name? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it will be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 50 returns after these messages.